Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making vermicelli today. For the kids, they love vermicelli. Here I have one vermicelli nest, egg free. This one tastes really good. And here I have one stick of butter, one condensed milk, one fat-free carnation, cinnamon, cardamom, and clove in here. And I'll add some more milk and water too. Add in the butter, add in the vermicelli, add in the cinnamon, clove, cardamom. I will parch it for a little bit and then I'll add some water, then the milk, then condensed milk. Also I'll be adding some cranberry. Vermicelli looking good. Nice color. Parched nicely, nice brown. Anyways guys, I'm making vermicelli real fasting today. And I made katahari yesterday and roti. All vegetarian stuff today. Add in the water now, 2 cups. Looking good. That's just water I added here. I add another cup, so 3 cups. So water is almost dry down. I'll add the milk now. Add in 1 carnation, fat free, 2 cups of milk. My kids love vermicelli. When they wake up, they will like this. Surprise! I will let it boil like for 8 minutes. I don't want it too dry, so I want this vermicelli watery. Looks so nice. Add in some condensed milk. 1 can of condensed milk. This one is not too sweet. Looks so yummy. I'll add some cranberry. Add in 1/4 teaspoon more of cardamom powder. Some grated nutmeg. Lots of spices. So the vermicelli is all done. I'm not putting essence today because we're fasting. No vanilla today. Looking good. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. See you in our next video. So nice. The kids like it like this.